everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I do really hope that all of you are doing well, and if you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make all kinds of videos. So before moving on with today's video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. And if you feel like talking with me, please don't forget to check out my Instagram as well. So in my today's video, I'll be sharing few tips about the new normal lifestyle which we are going to adjust with, and essentially this video is essentially about the things which we should keep in our mind and the things we should carry in our bag these days, as many of the offices have reopened and many of them are going like once or twice in a week, but still those 1 or 2 days in a week is like a whole struggle altogether. Carrying the right items, carrying the right bag, it's really important. So without wasting any time, let's move on with today's video. So the first tip would be find a bag which has more pockets and zippers. It's very important to keep that thing in our mind before purchasing, if you're at all looking forward to purchase a new bag, and if you already have like many bags, try to figure out that one bag which has really good number of compartments and like zipper pockets and everything, because what I am trying to say is that suppose you're wearing the mask, you're going to your office and you feel like keeping the mask for a little bit of time, so in that moment you really need some zipped up pockets, so where you can safely put the mask inside your bag without letting it go with any other products or any other thing on your workspace. So in that way your mask is in a good place, it's secure, and in that way you can definitely store other items as well in those specified places. This whole pandemic situation has pushed out people out of their comfort zones, and the change in priorities have already been noticed. In this whole situation, the bags are getting bigger, the bags are getting heavier, but we can't help it. In order to survive, in order to stay with this whole situation, we have to adjust ourselves to the new normal thing. So the first one would be to definitely get a bag with more compartments and zippers. The second tip would be try to carry lunch from home. Now before all of these COVID situation, there were lots and lots of people. I know like 90% of the people never used to carry lunch from their home. They either used to go for the canteen or some other food or order in food or anything of that sort. But nowadays, please do generally keep this in your mind to carry lunch from your home. Your lunch can be like, you have some good meal, some rice, some sort of vegetables, some sort of protein, egg, chicken or fish. So try to include all those things. You can definitely include some nuts, raisins and some protein bars for like snacks and everything. So the main thing is that don't just think that since everything is easing out, since the lockdown is easing out, so we'll be eating outside. That's not at all healthy and that's not at all advisable. So please do carry your lunch from your home in order to survive all this whole situation. So the third tip would be try to carry some other zip pouches which are available in your bag. In that way you can store some food items or store some items which you think that you don't want to share with other people. Store like you definitely want to store some nuts, store some of your stationery and anything, your workspace, like anything. Your bag should contain all of those products which shouldn't be shared with the other person. So the fourth tip would be don't forget to carry a sanitizer and don't forget to carry a disinfectant spray. Now why I am saying is that we all know that a sanitizer is very important, but why disinfectant spray? I am saying a disinfectant spray because once you reach your workspace, you should definitely disinfect it first. Tables, chairs and your whole workspace should be clean. So a disinfectant spray is very important and a sanitizer is very important. These two things are essential. I think that after water, these two things are really becoming essential items these days. So the fifth one is that if you're carrying your laptop in your bag, try to cover it up. Like we all have some laptop covers and everything, but try to cover it up with an external piece of cloth. It can be a scarf or some dupatta of yours or anything. so that you'll obviously place that whole laptop on your table. So apart from the laptop cover, that cloth, that outside cloth will be getting in contact with your workspace. So you can definitely wash that off or change that cloth once or twice in a week, and that will do instead of washing the laptop cover back or anything. So the next and most important thing is that do not share your stationery items. And why I am saying is that all of you will relate to me. If at all you relate to me, please don't forget to comment down below. So the thing is that whenever you have sort of like pen or pencils mostly at your workspace, you definitely tend to lose your pen the next day. And the second is that people chew on pens. I have seen numerous number of people doing that, and they just do it without even noticing it and without even realizing it. They just do it, and we can't take back the pen. So that is a huge problem which I have faced, and I think that all of you will relate to it. Please comment down below if you can relate to it. And so that is why this tip is very important, is that do not share your stationery items with anyone at this moment, and do not even think about, like, I can't even think about having the same pen back when I have seen it in front of my eyes that the other person is chewing on it. So please try to avoid this. One more tip is that try to carry some old pen or some old pencils or some old riffles which have dried off. And why I am saying is that you should definitely keep all these things handy in a separate compartment at your bag, so as to press the buttons on the elevator. So this is really important. I have seen, like, in my office also there's this elevator with a sound system thing where you say it aloud and then it takes you to the desired floor. But many of the office buildings and many places in house complex or anything, they don't have this facility yet. So keep some spare refills, some spare pen or pencils which are old, and so on, in order to press the button on the elevator. Another most important thing is that don't forget to carry a hand cream, a lotion or some other cream in your bag, because while using a sanitizer my hands get dried off, and I bet that all of you guys can relate to it. Please comment down below if your hands get dried out or you get chappy or some flakes coming out. So a hand cream and some lotion or cream is very important to keep it in your bag at this moment. And please do not share it with anyone. Like, you're going to the washroom and there are other people, give it to me or something. That sort of situation shouldn't even arise. So please make sure not to share it with anyone, and try to carry two creams. Two creams is good to go. Carry a lip balm also, because if you haven't checked out my video, please do go and check out my video where I have talked about few things to keep in mind for protecting our skin from wearing a mask. So don't forget to carry hand cream and some lotion or anything. Carry some small bottles which are available for travel and thing. So yeah. Next is that don't forget to carry some extra tissues, extra handkerchief if any in your bag. You don't know when you might need them, and it's advisable to carry your own separate set of napkins, your own separate set of handkerchiefs at this moment, because we know that in office there is a place where all the napkins and everything is kept, but everyone is going there and taking it. So it's advisable to carry your own set of wet wipes, your own set of napkins, own set of handkerchiefs and everything in your bag. Now I'm not saying that carry in bulk amounts. Carry like 5 to 6 every day, in small compartment where you keep all those things. So that is why I had mentioned in my first tip is that find a bag with million number of compartments and then zipper pockets and everything. In that way all these things becomes really useful and your bag becomes organized, so you don't have to figure out where you have kept your things. So another most important thing which I feel is that try to carry your own cutlery. Now if you're ordering food from online, they provide you cutlery, but don't try to use them, and it's advisable don't try to use it from the office canteen as well. Try to bring your own cutlery in your bag and use it and wash it off and then dry it off and then again keep it inside your bag. So the last tip would be try to carry like hydration and some power packed nuts at your bag. So try to accommodate more water and some healthy nibbles in your bag. More water in the sense you can definitely go ahead from some flavored water where there's a fennel attached to your water bottle, in which you can definitely put on some fruits or some chia seeds, and that's good to go. Or I guess according to me 1 liter or 1.5 liter of water bottle is good to go. And for healthy nibbles you can definitely opt out for protein bars, some nuts, some raisins, some chocolates, and you are good to go. I guess keep track of some cookies at your bag also. So in this way the contact decreases. In this way everything which you're having, everything which is there at your workspace, almost 90% of it, it's from your home, and it's all your personal belongings. So there's no point of catching some other virus from some other person or from some other items which you have used or taken. So in that way the contact also decreases, and I really do hope that you guys had find all of these tips very useful. So that was it for today's video, guys. I really do hope that all of you guys had find all those tips useful, and please do comment down below as to how did you find this video, and please do comment down below what are the other things which you are keeping in mind while going to your office, and which things you are carrying in your bag. I will be really eager to know all of your comments. I'll be really eager to know and get some tips from you as well. And till then, stay safe and stay motivated, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.